Hi. Alright. So आज हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एंड दैट इज़ कि ये कोविड का गंदा सा पैंडमिक चल रहा है एंड इस टाइम पे हम प्रेगनेंसी कैसे प्लान कर सकते हैं. हाय रोहित, आई एम गुड. ऑलराइट, सो let's get into it without much ado. And alright, so normally I would tell you कि आप जब भी सोच रहे हो about having a baby, so you should always plan it. And why should you always plan it? Hi Abedi. Hi Neha. Hello Miss Devi Sudha. Good afternoon. ओके, सो मुझे प्रेगनेंसी की जो प्लानिंग है उसे एक एग्ज़ाम्पल से एक्सप्लेन करना है. ये एग्ज़ाम्पल मेरा सबसे फेवरेट है. इमेजिन यू आर प्लानिंग अ स्पेस ट्रिप, या जब भी नासा या इसरो एक स्पेस ट्रिप प्लान करता है, दे ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि दे आर doing this completely planned. सपोज हमने एक मार्स की ट्रिप प्लान की है, तो यू विल ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि यू ऑलवेज गो विथ अ फुल फ्यूल टैंक. अगर आप हाफ टैंक से जाओगे या इनकम्प्लीट टैंक से जाओगे तो देर आर चांसेस दैट यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू कंप्लीट योर जर्नी. Hence, similarly is a thing. When a woman embarks on this journey to motherhood, she should be going with full tank. And here full tank means having all the stores of all the supplements in her body completely full. अब जो करंट स्टेज है ये पैंडमिक का, उसमें अगर हम ये हमारे स्पेसशिप वाले एग्जाम्पल ले तो एक प्रॉब्लम है. हम तो टैंक फुल करके निकले हैं, बट दिस टाइम वी आर इवन सस्पेक्टिंग एलियन अटैक एंड द एलियंस आर कोविड. एग्जैक्टली. सो जैसे हम किसी भी ट्रिप पे जाएंगे और अगर हम अटैक सस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो वी विल गो विथ एम्यूनिशन. सिमिलरली इस टाइम भी व्हेन वी आर प्लानिंग अ प्रेगनेंसी ड्यूरिंग द कोविड, देयर आर फ्यू फैक्टर्स विच वी नीड टू कंसिडर एंड टुडे वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट कि जो नॉर्मल प्लानिंग थी उससे चीज़ें चेंज कैसे हो सकती है, जैसे हो चुकी है, और उन चेंज टाइम्स में हमें क्या करना है. ओके, नेहा हैज सेंट अ रिक्वेस्ट टू बी इन माई लाइव वीडियो. लेट्स टेक यू इन, नेहा. ऑलराइट, सो टुडे आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट अ फ्यू फैक्टर्स. एम आई ऑडिबल फर्स्ट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट? हाय जसलीन. Hi Saurav, Vaishnavi, Aditya. Guys, give me a thumbs up to know I am audible. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyone? Alright. Okay. So, moving forward. So, how has pregnancy planning changed with compared to the previous situation? These times you all might have noticed that infection का डर है. We all are scared that आप pregnant हो जाओगे and there are chances that you may get infected with COVID. As we know, a pregnant lady can get infected with COVID and have a similar prodrome just like any other person. उनके chances भी उतने ही हैं जितने normal person के infect होने के chances है. And that's the thing. But we know pregnancy is a vulnerable state and things can get complicated. There are risks obviously, but now we have to consider those risks into mind and then go forward with things. Okay, there. Hello. So yeah, back to planning pregnancy during the pandemic. So there are few things which we need to focus on. It is preventing infection, improving our physical health, improving our mental health. Now let's talk about the first factor, that how can we prevent COVID. We all know, double mask, frequently wash your hands when you come home, and avoid gatherings. Now when it comes to planning a pregnancy, I would request you that please, yes, do get vaccinated. And current times, the COVID vaccine is the most important thing. Yeah, we do understand practical point है that vaccine available नहीं है, but जैसा होता है, जैसे आपको slot मिलता है, please try to get vaccinated. Now, how do you plan the vaccination? Try to take your vaccine, and I would advise you to wait, even after your first dose, do wait for a couple of months before you start planning your pregnancy. Many people, yeah, the COVID vaccine is not teratogenic. It does not lead to miscarriages or something like that. But my personal approach is that कि जब हमें इस चीज़ के बारे में sufficient data available नहीं है. Oh, nice, Rohit. Done with your first dose. That's great. I'm very happy for the people from the 18 to 45 age group who are actually privileged to get the vaccine. It's really good because many people are finding it quite difficult. So yeah, वैक्सीन लेने के एक couple of months के बाद आप pregnancy plan कीजिए, because there's not sufficient data, and मुझे लगता है कि it's always better to take a middle road. जब हमारे पास सफिशिएंट डाटा नहीं है तो हमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पीरियड होते हैं जो फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स होते हैं प्रेगनेंसी के, तो उस टाइम पे हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि कुछ भी ऐसी अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ें हो जाए विच कैन हैम्पर एम्ब्रियोजेनेसिस. सो लेट्स स्टे बी सेफ, एंड ऑलवेज इट्स बेटर टू बी सेफ देन सॉरी. एंड कपल ऑफ मंथ्स इसलिए दैट इन दैट टाइम द एंटीबॉडी रिस्पॉन्स माइट हैव जनरेटेड एंड इट माइट हैज़ हैड इट्स इनिशियल इफेक्ट इन द बॉडी. ओके. So now, along with COVID, there are few other vaccinations which you need to take. In fact, I would divide your whole pregnancy planning period into 2 phases. One, जब आप already contraception ले रहे हो और आप सोच रहे हो about having a baby, and the other is like कि आप contraception stop कर चुके हो and you're already trying to conceive. So when you are in that stage, that when you are still on contraception, there are few things which you need to focus on. One is your vaccinations. Now, which all vaccinations which you need to complete along with the COVID vaccine? One is the MMR vaccine. Other is the hepatitis B vaccine. Third is the HPV vaccine. And fourth is the Tdap. टीडा वैक्सीन आप प्रेगनेंसी के इमीडिएट पहले भी ले सकते हो, ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी भी ले सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट ये रेस्ट 3 वैक्सीन्स, प्लीज़ ट्राई टू फिनिश दीज वैक्सीनेशंस बिफोर यू कंसीव, बिकॉज MMR is a live vaccine and that live attenuated vaccine, but then you don't want to conceive when you are in its phase, when you have just taken that vaccine and the immunity is still in its developing phase. I should tell you that I have taken my hepatitis B vaccine, HPV vaccines, and I recently asked my mother that have she vaccinated me for MMR. MMR वैक्सीन का स्टेटस ये है दैट आपको 2 डोजेस लेने हैं, और अगर आपने बचपन में 2 डोजेस ले लिए हैं एंड इफ़ योर मदर इज़ वेरी श्योर कि उन्होंने आपको ये डोज दिया है, देन यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट. बट इफ़ दैट इज़ नॉट हैपन, then please take that 1 dose of MMR. It will provide safety to your child, because in case you get infected, your child will be saved from all the congenital malformations which this virus can give you. Alright, so when we are done with vaccinations, second, ये जो 2 चीज़ें जो आपको मेनली फोकस करनी है, इनकी शुरुआत होनी चाहिए आपके कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन स्टॉप करने वाले फेज से. First is focusing on your physical health. Second is focusing on your mental health. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो मैं आपको एडवाइस करूँगी अबाउट फोकसिंग ऑन योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, दैट अगेन विच वी कैन डिवाइड इनटू मल्टीपल पार्ट्स. उसका फर्स्ट पार्ट होगा दैट प्लीज़ गो एंड विजिट अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट और अ फर्टिलिटी कंसल्टेंट. एक फर्टिलिटी कंसल्टेंट के विज़िट में आपके बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स कवर अप हो जाएंगे. जैसे दे विल टेक अ हिस्ट्री ऑन द फर्स्ट विजिट. जो होने वाला है मैं आपको अभी बताऊंगी. सबसे पहले दे विल टेक योर हिस्ट्री एंड विल फाइंड आउट कि आपको बचपन में कोई ऐसी बीमारी हुई थी जिसकी वजह से आपकी फर्टिलिटी अफेक्ट हो सकती है. सेकेंड थिंग, कोई क्रॉनिक इलनेस या कोई फैमिली हिस्ट्री जिसकी वजह से योर चांसेस ऑफ हैविंग effect on your fertility or complicating your pregnancy are there, that we will understand by your history. दूसरी चीज़, हम आपको चेक करेंगे and we will do a pap smear. This pap smear will tell you about the health of your cervix. Third thing, we will do a sonography and this sonography will instantly tell you about your ovarian reserve. Fourth thing, we will be after that एडवाइसिंग यू अ फ्यू इन्वेस्टिगेशंस. अब ये इन्वेस्टिगेशंस कॉमनली क्या होती है? एक होता है कंप्लीट ब्लड चेक. दूसरा होता है यूरिन रूटीन माइक्रोस्कोपी. तीसरा होता है नॉर्मल रैंडम ब्लड शुगर. चौथा होता है वी विल चेक यू फॉर एनी सेक्शुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीजेस, HIV, HCV, HBsAg एंड VDRL. ये चेकअप मेल और फीमेल दोनों पार्टनर्स के होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज इफ़ यू कैरी वन ऑफ दीज इन्फेक्शंस देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू मे इन्फेक्ट योर पार्टनर एंड सेकेंडली दिस इन्फेक्शन कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम यू टू योर बेबी एंड वी डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन. हेंस इट इज़ वेरी आउटमोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करने से पहले आपकी जो हेल्थ है, फिज़िकल हेल्थ, आपकी जो बॉडी की हेल्थ है वो चेक कर ले. बिकॉज यही वो बॉडी है जो इस प्रेगनेंसी को आगे तक लेके जाएगी. सेकेंडली, आफ्टर दीज इन्वेस्टिगेशंस आर डन, वी विल ऑल्सो चेक योर मेल पार्टनर. वी विल चेक देम फॉर द सेक्शुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीजेस एंड दैट्स सफिशिएंट फॉर नाउ. आफ्टर दिस the doctor will advise you few supplements and the most important supplement is folic acid. I think ये हर किसी को पता है and अगर नहीं पता है तो I will tell you folic acid is a most safest supplement. 5 milligram का डोज होता है and the moment you think that you want to conceive, please start taking it. It is very safe, it is very easily available, you don't need a prescription for it. The most common is tablet folate and 5 milligram का dose, 1 tablet a day is good for you and it helps prevent neurological defects in your baby. And researchers say that it is more beneficial the earlier you start folic acid. So the moment आपने सोच लिया कि हाँ हमें कंसीव करना है, तब से फॉलिक एसिड स्टार्ट कीजिए. बट अगर आपको इस चीज़ के बारे में ये बात अगर नहीं पता है तो व्हेनेवर यू विजिट फॉर योर प्री कंसेप्शन काउंसलिंग, जो ये विजिट की हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो आपके डॉक्टर आपको ये प्रिस्क्राइब करेंगे. सेकेंडली, इसके बाद में द डॉक्टर विल एडवाइस यू टू स्टार्ट मॉडरेट एक्टिविटी एंड दिस इज अगेन अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर फिजिकल हेल्थ दैट. And we won't ask you that go to gym and do a heavy workout and you need equipments. No, it's okay. You can do basic yoga and you can do simple things like a walk. You have to just achieve your goal of moderate activity, like 10,000 steps per day. That is all you need to achieve to maintain a moderate health. And that is moderate activity to maintain a good health. And you might be thinking, so second thing, we do get a lot of patients who are either on the higher side of the weight or the lower side, and it is very important for you to achieve optimum body weight. And let's not get into body weight shaming and everything there, but yeah, if you are going to carry another human being inside of you, you do need to take into considerations these things. You have to understand that your body is functioning and you have to make this whole functioning in an altered physiology of pregnancy easier for you. So after we are done your activity, we will advise you to have a diet. अब आपको अगर आप प्रेगनेंसी प्लान कर रहे हो तो what sort of diet should you be taking? So I would advise you to take a high protein diet, and apart just try to include more protein in your diet, and that itself will be sufficient, and an iron rich diet. एंड जितना हो सके थोड़ा सा एक्सेसिव शुगर इंटेक अगर आप रिड्यूस कर सकते हो, एंड इफ़ यू कैन गेट इन टू द हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग अ लिटिल लेस अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट इन योर डाइट, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. इट इज़ अ गुड हैबिट टू पुट इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग अ प्रेगनेंसी. अब what are the things which you can have in high protein? So if you are a non-vegetarian or an vegetarian, you can go for the most best advice for you is have eggs, one egg yolk and egg whites. If you can have more, well and good, but ideally I would advise you to have 2 eggs, 2 egg whites, 1 egg yolk, and chicken breast pieces and liver if you like it. But yeah, eggs and chicken are something which are like your best friend. White meat. Now when it comes to non-vegetarian options in high protein, you have a lot of amount of dals, and our Indian diet is pretty rich when it comes to stuff like that. We have a lot of variety of pulses, dals and all those things which you can eat for a good high rich protein rich diet. Okay, now when it comes to the iron rich diet, so you can have things like spinach and apples. What I love to, and what is actually very practical to do, is just add 2 dates every morning in your diet, and it makes things really very easy and simple. It's easy. You can just take them around and walk them around and have it anytime you want. You can also have it like a snack. And the other things which you can have is add almonds, pistachios, walnuts, these anjeers, these types of dry fruits to your diet. You can actually make a mix of it, but I would advise you to understand that 6 almonds and 2 anjeers, 5 to 6 pistachios, that is the amount of nuts and dry fruits which you can have in a day and which are good for you. Excess nahi jaye to better hai, because these also do have good fat, but then anything in excess is not good. I know we love to munch on dry fruits, but we need to take it moderately. This is the diet which this is the diet. And let's go forward to, now that you have met your doctor when you are still on your contraceptive and you have decided this yeah, muscle fat. Yes, that's the thing. Okay, so now when you have visited doctor and you are still on contraception, you have a nice plan laid out for you of the things which you need to do, and in this way you can achieve the goals of your physical health. Now pandemic has given new issues to us, that we are constantly confined in the 4 walls of our home, and hence mental health is another thing which is quite affected. And if you are planning a pregnancy and if your mental health is not in its right state, let me tell you, please wait. Yeah, so if you are planning to have a baby, the third most important factor which you need to focus on is your mental health. And what are the things which are sustainable? See, I am going to give you tips which you can actually practice and keep practicing it. If I give you very high fundu advices and अगर आप उसको अपनी daily life में inculcate नहीं कर पाओगे, then कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. So when it comes to your mental health, and if you feel that you can take charge of yourself, I would advise you some really simple tips. Try sleeping early. We are watching a lot of sitcoms, and I know it's very addictive. Night is a very calm time when you get to binge on your shows, but or work or study. But do this. Try to sleep early. And I will tell you, it's a very difficult habit to inculcate. I have been trying for the last 1.5 years to get into it, and it's just like recently I have been able to achieve my goal, and I will tell you, it's a blessing. I had these dirty dark circles, fucked up mental state, and now I feel so good that I did it. that I actually started sleeping at 10 and waking up at 5, and it feels beautiful. So, yeah, please do it. Yes, dear, I will save this life. Okay. Now, the second thing which I will tell you, apart from your sleep in the morning, you wake up, just try to, I'm going to give you a morning routine and try to do that as soon as you wake up. Whatever religion you follow, whatever faith you follow, please pray. And just a small prayer, a small affirmation, anything, start with a prayer that, and start with this affirmation that I am going to have a great day, and I'm going to have a mentally sane day, and I'm not going to let the negative vibes of this pandemic to affect me. After you're done with this small 5-minute prayer, try to meditate. Trust me, meditation works wonders. And yes, meditation के results दिखने के लिए भी 1 साल लगता है. That's how long it took for me to realize the importance of meditation in my life. So if you know how to meditate, please do it your way. If you do not know how to meditate, there is another method. It is called the guided meditation, and I use apps like Headspace. You can also try it. It's a wonderful app. Please do try it, and let me know how you feel. How Headspace, do you like it, or do you like Calm or any other app? But I had really good experience with Headspace, so do try that. And they have very short span. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप शांत नहीं बैठ सकते, first, meditation is not about sitting शांत. You go to the app and it will clarify your concepts regarding it. Meditation is just developing a calm with your own thoughts. Like, no matter what sort of thoughts comes and goes in your head, you should be able to visualize it and not get attached to it and not run behind it, but just be at peace with it. And if you master meditating, you can use this technique in multiple parts of your life, making your mental health better. So, yeah, please wake up, do a small prayer, and then meditate. And then I will tell you that I have really started. It has been quite a changer for me. They're back. Yeah. So, I really like exercising in the morning, and I have recently started working out. And I start with yoga, and then I go into my workout routine. But I will tell you that it has been a very beautiful part of my life. And apart from the mental benefits of yoga, the other benefits are that it will make your body flexible, and it will increase your strength and stamina, which will in turn help you during your labor. Trust me, few poses like which I can tell you, like the butterfly pose or the other stretching exercises which will help you open up your pelvis. These will make you see, labor is a long time. It's something which goes on for a first timer for like 18 hours or so. और ये टाइम पे सस्टेन करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए एंड बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी चाहिए. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट पार्ट. सो when you start doing yoga from a long time, it makes your body super flexible, and you are able to sustain that thing for a longer time and easily. And it is good to have a flexible body when it comes to delivering vaginally. So yeah, that is one thing. And yes, moderate activity, include that in your life. When you see, I recently heard this very beautiful words said by Jay Shetty, and it goes like this: when you do something good, you feel happy later, and when you do something bad, you feel happy earlier, but you feel guilty later. Similar is a thing which works with meditation. Similar is a thing which happens with yoga. Similar is a thing which happens with workout. These 3 things स्टार्ट करने के पहले आपको बहुत बोर होगा, आपको बहुत स्ट्रेस फील होगा कि ओ माय गॉड करना है. द मोमेंट यू डू इट, द वाइब, द पॉजिटिविटी, the feel good factor is so amazing that effort feels worth it. And अगर आप इन चीज़ों को continuously करते रहोगे, it will have a very good effect on your mental health. Now, let me tell you, even after doing these things, even you feel stressed, you feel anxious, अगर आपको रात में नींद नहीं लग रही है, you're trying to sleep for a long time and you're not able to sleep, you're feeling anxious, and अगर आप एक cycle में भी conceive नहीं कर रहे हो and you feel very disappointed in yourself, I would tell you, no, don't feel disappointed. It takes time to conceive because it's like 28 days compared to 3 days. So it's like hitting the bullseye while looking into the water, like Arjun. So I will tell you, be patient, and even if you are feeling that you're mentally very disturbed, do not feel shy to consult a counselor. They are there to help you, and especially more during the pandemic. They are there. There are many people are coming up with their services. They are doing teleconsultations, video consultations. These people are there. Please, please, please take help. Secondly, now this is something which is going to happen with all the normal people. Now there might be many people who might be hyperthyroid or hypothyroid and वो thyroxine ले रहे हैं, या वो diabetic है हो, या आप diabetic हो, या आप hypertensive हो, या आपको कोई और problem हो, या कोई भी disease हो जिसके लिए आप already medicine ले रहे हो. For those folks, I will tell you, yes, आप प्रेगनेंसी प्लान कर सकते हो, लेकिन प्लान करने से पहले प्लीज़ 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 एक बार अपने डॉक्टर से मिल लीजिए, सो दैट वी कैन बी इन टच विथ योर स्पेशलिस्ट कंसल्टेंट एंड वी कैन ऑल्टर योर डोजेस विच आर सेफ फॉर प्रेगनेंसी. एंड इफ़ दोज मेडिसिन आर नॉट सेफ फॉर प्रेगनेंसी, हम उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं इनटू समथिंग विच इज़ सेफ फॉर योर प्रेगनेंसी. ये चीज़ें. एंड प्लीज़ अनप्लान प्रेगनेंसी, अगर आपको कोई भी क्रॉनिक इलनेस है, या आप किसी भी मेडिकेशन पे हो, या तो आप रूमेटॉइड पेनिसिलिन पे हो, या तो आप डायबिटीज़ के लिए इंसुलिन या मेटफॉर्मिन पे हो, या कोई भी हाइपरटेंशन के लिए आप एटनॉल पे हो, जो भी मेडिकेशंस पे हो, प्लीज़ एक बार हमें कंसल्ट कीजिए. अनप्लान प्रेगनेंसी जितनी हो सके उतनी अवॉइड कीजिए. एंड थर्ड थिंग लाइज, सो दैट इज़ द वन थिंग for the French population which has some issue or the other, and they are thinking about planning a pregnancy. Please do not do it without a preconception counseling. So yeah, that was it. So summarize all, I would say focus on the 3 points: prevent COVID, improve your physical health, improve your mental health. All right, does anyone want to ask anything? Any questions? Who all we have here? Alright then, see you guys in my next live. Bye bye.